Welcome to centralized application portal for your institute. Most of the institute find difficulty to manage their B2B partners to give the centralized application portal where the partner can submit their student's application and can discuss the pending documents and complete the student's profile with the checklist of documents. Most of the institute have their students application portal where students come and complete their applications on the website or on the portal, but there is no central portal for the B2B partners, and on an average the 60% of all those referred students comes from the partners only. That's why the study metro has developed the centralized application portal for institute. Here the partners can submit their students profile, they can also upload their documents, they can apply the applications, they can track the commissions. As the university also, you can see which partners are giving how many students and how many applications, and you can discuss with the partners each student's profile over the chatter and over the message on the portal, all in one single platform. Let's watch what centralized application portal can do for you. As a case study, we are demonstrating Central Michigan portal for your B2B partner. Let's understand how your partner can add all the prospective students profile. Students can add at one time or they can register the applications once they created their profile. Now we have to add all those students, move to upload students documents and tag the country rep or the admission team sitting in internationally. You can also send the email from the platform and give your feedback for the student's profile in the portal itself. It's a central place to discuss everything until the student's documents completed. So there is no need to go and do the back and forth emails and take the one student's profile completion for 1 month to 3 months. It saves your time to provide the offer letter on time, and for the partner is a very transparent process because he can discuss directly with the international university admission team or in country rep to answer any of the questions which they have related to those students profile. Next, when the students give the visa mark the stage to the visa approved, then commission object will be created, and for that particular students, and your team know that this student's visa has received. We also have detailed universities and the program page. If the partner want to know more about the institute, they can refer those pages. We also have the training courses module available. So if the agents are newly joined your university, there are the pre-recorded video where he can watch and he can understand about the university unique selling points, and then he can start pitching the same to the students. We also have the groups there, so it's used for the newsletters. So if you want to share any news regarding the scholarships, the new programs, the deadline, you can use the groups and you can share to all the agents who are registered in your partner portal. Also, your partner portal partner can select any of the services if they're looking for education loan, forex, international stream. So we already have those vendors attached in this partner portal, which help the partners to get those services for your for their students, along with the application support from the university end. You can also create the task to follow up with the partners and vice versa. So the agents and the partner also can create a task and they can take a follow up with your team. You can also check the each partner reports and dashboard on the home page, how many students they have added, their current status, their login, when they login last time, when they sign up on the portal. Everything you can see in your reports so that you know which agents are performing good, and based on that you can give a more support as a priority basis to them. That is all in the cloud portal, helping you to scale your institute application from the B2B partners, providing the centralized application portal for you and your application team to work smoothly with the partners. Thank you very much watching this B2B partner portal video. If you have any question, please schedule your meeting with any of the Study Metro BDM. Thank you very much.